Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine and doing well. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. Dear friends, today I am going to share with you very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very attractive wooden decoration ideas. There are most attractive, most beautiful and most stylish wooden decoration pieces available here for you in this video. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. There are very fantastic designs, there are very awesome designs, there are very beautiful designs ideas. You can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden decoration pieces easily. Dear friends, first of all I suggest you to kindly watch this video till end and keep spotting and keep watching my channel, and also press bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you may get new notification of my all new videos. There are most attractive designs, there are most beautiful, most stylish and most fantastic wooden decoration pieces designs available here for you in this video. There are very beautiful, very amazing, very fantastic and very heart touching wooden decoration pieces designs available here for you in this video. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. There are very amazing designs, there are very fantastic designs, there are very awesome designs ideas. There are very beautiful, very amazing and very stylish wall decorate wooden pieces designs ideas. There are most stylish and most attractive lawn decorated wooden ideas available here for you in this video. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. Dear friends, you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden decoration pieces easily. You can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden decoration pieces online from different websites. Like you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden decoration pieces online from Etsy.com, eBay.com, AliExpress, Amazon. As we know that all these websites are very famous, and you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden decoration pieces from here. There are very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very attractive designs ideas. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. Dear friends, there are very fantastic designs, there are very superb designs, there are very amazing wall decoration designs ideas. There are very attractive and very beautiful wooden objects available here for you in this video. At the end, I again request you to don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch more and more fantastic videos of wooden decoration pieces on my channel. There are very new collection available here for you in this video. You may get new and new ideas about new collections of wooden decoration pieces from my channel. So friends, take care, remember me in your prayers, and Allah Hafiz.